Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp jambalaya. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including about 1 pound of shrimp and your holy trinity of vegetables: celery, bell pepper, and onion. Proper preparation is key to a smooth cooking process. We will focus on building layers of flavor, ensuring each component contributes to a rich, satisfying meal. Get ready to create a truly delicious classic dish. To begin, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot or Dutch oven. Sauté your diced onion, celery, and bell pepper until softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add 1 pound of sliced andouille sausage, cooking until it's nicely browned. Stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, cooking for 1 minute. Deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Now add 1 1/2 cups of uncooked long-grain rice to the pot, stirring to coat it with the flavorful base. Pour in 2 1/2 cups of chicken broth and 1 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, undrained. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, stirring occasionally. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for 20 minutes without lifting the lid. After 20 minutes, quickly stir in your 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. Replace the lid and continue to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the shrimp are pink and cooked through. Remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, fluff the jambalaya with a fork and garnish with fresh green onions before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.